In this class 7 of Python, we are going to understand about what input function. Okay, so the input function in Python can be used to read the values from keyboard, and this function reads a value and returns as what? String object. It will return the value as what? String object. So the syntax is like this. The syntax is variable is equal to input, okay, input of what? Prompting text. Okay, so how can we do this one? Let us understand the help of one example. Okay, so let me first of all tell you how it is going to work. Input function. Okay, suppose you are writing a input function. Let's say that a is equal to, you are writing input of, okay, input of, you are saying what? Enter age. Let's say that enter age. Let's say that a is equal to enter age. Okay, single quote, sorry, enter age. Okay, so what, this is the prompt text. This prompt text, it is going to print on the on the monitor, saying that okay, enter what? Age. Now I am giving what? 25. Press enter. This 25 will be taken by this particular input function. Okay, but it will return as what? String. It will return as string, and that will be assigned to what? A. Therefore a is equal to 25, which is what? String. Okay, which is what? String value. String value, assume that. Okay, then what we need to do is this a value, again we have to convert into integer, like this integer of a we have to say. So this a, which is 125 string, is converted into integer and assigns to a. Okay, so this is what happens here. Is it okay? Now, so instead of writing these two statements, this one, and instead of writing this one, what we do is we can write into what? One single line. How? Let's say that I can write age is equal to, let's say, integer of, okay, input of, okay, I say enter age. Okay, enter, let's say that enter age. Okay, this is not fitting in the single line, so therefore let me write. So instead of writing these two statements, 1 and 2, this, instead of writing two statements, I am going to write in what? One statement. How? Let me tell you. So let us say that I write like this: age is equal to, okay, I can write integer of, okay, input of, I can say now enter age. Okay, okay, this is what the string here. Okay, now what happens is this input function, okay, it will ask the user to enter what? Age. Suppose I am giving age 25. Okay, 25, and press enter. This 25 will be taken by the input function, and the 25 will be in the form of, okay, string. This string is immediately converted into integer and assigns to age. Therefore now the age is an integer value, which is 25. Okay, so that's what happens. This is how does the input function reads the value from keyboard. Now let us understand this one with the help of an example. So let us write here, okay, let me open the Python IDLE open. Okay, right. Now I am going to create one program here, file, new, okay, new file. This is the program that I am creating. So here I read, let me say that see, I would like to read the age, and I would like to print on the monitor. So therefore I can say that age is equal to, okay, I can write integer of, okay, integer of input of enter age. Okay, this is the first one that we are going to discuss. This is what. Now I am going to print age. Okay, and the data type also, if you want to see the data type also, you can see. Okay, right, let me save the program. File, here I am going to save it. Save the program. Let's say age.py. Okay, then I click on what? Save. Now I run the program. Run module. See, it is now asking what? Enter age. The age I am giving is what? 25, and press enter. Okay, press enter. That's it. So you got 25 and what? Integer. So this is what, do you understand, please? So here the 25, here the 25 is taken here, converted into integer and assigns to what? Age, and printing this one. Clear? Now we are going to write some programs. How can we write programs in Python? By reading values from keyboard. Okay, so let us have some programs over here. So the first program that I am going to write here, it is, let's say that this is a comment, please. This is the comment. Hash represents what? Comment. Okay, let me close this one. Okay, close this one. Don't want to save it. Okay, so what the kind of program that I want to write here, it is first program. Okay, first program. Okay, read two numbers and print their, okay, addition addition and average. Okay, this is the program. Read two numbers and print their addition and average. So for this I am writing the program. See, file, new file. So what I do now, okay, what I do, a is equal to, I read the value for a, integer, input of enter number 1, okay, and enter number 1. Let's say that enter number 1. Okay, similarly I read the value for b. So I read the value for b. Okay, so this is what b, and this is 2. Okay, now calculate what is the addition of these two numbers. I read the value for a, read the value for b. Two numbers I have read from keyboard. Now do some calculation. C is equal to a plus b. That's it. Now we print on the monitor, print, okay, print add is equal to comma what, c. Okay, similarly I want to calculate average also. Therefore let me say otherwise, add is equal to a plus b. Okay, better like this we write. Then average is equal to, what is that, is add divided by 2. So the addition divided by 2 will be the average, and average will be getting here. Now I am going to print the average, that is what, avg, average. Sorry, first of all I have to print what, add, then I have to print what, average. So avg is equal to comma avg. Okay, so reading the values for a and b, then calculation of addition and what, average of the two numbers, then printing the addition and average. Now run the program, run module. Okay, before that, first of all save it, save. Now I am going to say that add underscore average dot py. Okay, this is the program name that I am giving. This program is already present in my computer, therefore click on save, and it is asking me to override this file or not. Yes. Okay, I say yes. Now run the program, run module. So I give the numbers 10 and what, 20, and you see that add is equal to 30, average is equal to 15. Okay, this is the first program. Similarly, now I would like to write another program number 2, that is what, read. Okay, let's say that another program that we are going to understand, read a salary. Let's say that otherwise read a number, right? Read a number and print its square and what, cube. Print its square and cube. This is what the program we are going to write. So therefore I create one more program. So therefore this I am going to close first of all, and in this particular id shell, this is what the new file I am taking now. So read a number and print its square and cube. Therefore I read a number, n is equal to integer of input of, I say what, enter number, enter number. So this n value I read from the keyboard. So this is what the value that I am reading from keyboard converts into integer and assigns to what, n. After reading this n value, calculate the square and cube. So square is equal to n into what, n. Okay, similarly cube is equal to, what I can write is n into okay, n. Then I am going to write here, okay, square is equal to, okay, square is equal to comma square variable we are going to print, as well as we are going to write cube is equal to comma cube variable. Is it okay? So this is what we are reading, an integer value into the n, and we are calculating square of n is what, n into n, and cube of n is equal to n into n into n. So like this square and cube you can calculate, and you can print on the monitor the square value and what, cube value. This is how you write a simple program. Okay, I write a program like square and cube dot what, pi. Okay, now I run the program, and you see you'll get a number 5. Let's say that number 5 I am giving. Now it's getting what, square as well as what, cube. Okay, so this is the second program that we have completed. The third program that we are going to understand is read base and height and calculate, okay, area of a triangle. Okay, area of a triangle. Okay, so now we read the base and height and we'll calculate area of a triangle. For this we are going to write the program. So how to write the program means, let us understand here. Let's say read the base. First of all, read the base value. So this is what base is equal to. Base is a float value actually, therefore we use the conversion function float. Okay, float of, I am going to write input of, okay, input of enter base, enter what, base. Then height is equal to, okay, float of input of, I can say that enter height. Okay, so what I am doing here, I am reading the base value, I am reading the height value. Okay, now after reading, so these are the float values, that is why I am using float conversion function. Then I am going to say that area is equal to half into, okay, half into base into, right, height. This is what? This is the formula to calculate the area of a triangle, that is half into base into height. Then we print the area of a triangle. So I am going to print that area of a triangle, okay, triangle is equal to, I can say that area, okay. This is what area value I am printing on the monitor, right. Then I save this program, save it. That is what we write the program as what, sorry, this program we save as, let me save as, I give another program like triangle.py, okay, triangle.py, the program name I am giving. Now run the program, run module. So base it is asking 3.5 and height is equal to 2.7, and you got the area of triangle is equal to 4.72, like this, okay. So like this we can write the programs, but I would like to tell you one more program also, please, okay. So read salary and calculate, okay, bonus, calculate bonus, okay. Then where bonus is equal to 40% on salary. This is the program that you would like to write, please. So we have to calculate the bonus, where the bonus will be 40% on salary. So how you write the formula to calculate the bonus, okay. So therefore bonus is equal to 40%. How you write? 40 by 100 into, okay, into salary. This is the formula. Or you can also write like bonus is equal to, what is this particular 40 by 100? Directly we can write 0.40, okay, or you can write 0.4 also, no problem, into what? Salary. So directly we can write, instead of writing this 40 by 100, you can also write 0.40 into salary. So either you can write like this or like this, whichever you feel better, okay. So this is the program that we are going to write now. So let me take a new program now, okay. Again I take a new program, file, new. Now I read the salary first of all. Salary is equal to, again salary is a float value because it has some decimal points, okay. Input of enter salary, let's say that enter salary, okay. Then bonus you calculate, bonus is equal to 40%, that is what, 40 by 100, okay, 40 by 100, whichever you feel better, 40 by 100 into salary, that's it. Now I print on the monitor the bonus that I have calculated. Bonus is equal to comma bonus, okay. Now save the program, file, save it, okay. Then I say what, bonus.py, this program name is bonus.py, replace it, right. I say run module. So this is salary. What the salary is? Let's say that 10,000 rupees is the salary, okay, 10,000, let's say that. Now you got bonus is what, 4,000, okay. So like this we can write the programs in what, Python, okay. So read the value, do the calculations and print it, very simple, okay, fine. So I'll give some practice programs, you practice yourself. Let's say that is what practice programs I'm going to give here. The practice program number 1 here, it is what, read, okay, read radius, okay, read radius and calculate area of circle and perimeter, okay, perimeter of circle, okay. What is the formula to calculate area of circle? Area is equal to, okay, 2 pi r, okay, sorry, area is equal to, okay, pi r square. Pi means what, 3.14 into r square means radius, r into r, okay. So you have to read the value for r, okay. Then what is perimeter? You have to calculate. Perimeter is equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 3.14 into r, this is what, okay. So you have to read the radius. Radius means here what, read r value you are going to read. So read the r value and do the calculation for area and perimeter and print on the monitor, okay. That's the first program, right. Then second program I can give you something called as what, read sales amount, okay. Read sales amount, you read it and calculate commission, okay, commission on what, sales, okay. What is the commission? So what, how much commission you have to calculate? Commission is equal to, okay, commission, commission, how much commission? That is what, 30% on what? So I can say commission is 30% on what, sales. So what's the formula? Sales is equal to 30% means what, 30 by 100 into what, sales. This is what. So you have to read the value for sales and calculate the commission. Sorry, this is what commission is equal to. Okay, commission is equal to 30% on sales. This is what you have to calculate. Is it okay? Right. Then I'll give you one more program, that is a TOR program. Okay, read A and B values. Okay, read A and B values. Calculate, okay, A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square you have to calculate, please. Okay, A plus B whole square. So what's the formula? C is equal to A square. A square means how you write? A into A. Plus B square, how you write? B into B. Plus then we will be writing what? Okay, 2 into A into B. This is a formula that you can use to calculate. Okay, so these programs you practice. Okay, fine.